The integrity of our legislative process relies entirely on decorum, order, and respect for the rule of law. And when congressional committee hearings devolve into shouting matches, partisan grandstanding, and constant interruptions, the functioning of government breaks down. And while intense debate is expected, the recent behavior of certain Democratic committee members has crossed the line from vigorous oversight into deliberate obstruction. It is time for committee chairs to assert their authority, enforce established rules, and utilize the power of contempt to restore order to the halls of Congress. Committee hearings serve a vital constitutional purpose: to gather facts, vet legislation, and hold officials accountable. However, this purpose is completely undermined when members repeatedly interrupt witnesses, talk over the chair, and disregard time limits. Constant interruptions prevent witnesses from answering questions fully. Grandstanding reduces the time available for meaningful legislative work. And this weaponized incivility turns serious governance into viral video clips. Committee chairs possess the clear authority to maintain order under House and Senate rules. Point of order rulings, the gaveling down of out-of-order remarks, and the deduction of time from offending members are not optional suggestions. They are structural requirements for fair debate. And when members treat these rules as optional, they insult the institution they serve. Chairs must stop issuing empty warnings and start strictly enforcing the boundaries of proper conduct. If a member of the public or an executive branch witness willfully disrupted a congressional hearing, they would face immediate removal and potential legal consequences. Elected officials should not be held to a lower standard. If committee members continuously and flagrantly violate rules, refuse to yield the floor, and actively block the committee from proceeding, the chair must pursue formal disciplinary actions. For extreme repeated obstruction that prevents a committee from carrying out its constitutional duties, the ultimate sanction of congressional contempt or formal censure must be placed on the table. Holding a member in contempt for severe disruption sends a clear message. No individual, regardless of party, is above the rules of the House or Senate. True democracy requires the clash of opposing ideas, but that clash must happen within the boundaries of civil discourse. And allowing members to weaponize chaos without consequence diminishes the entire legislative branch. By strictly enforcing decorum and applying real, tangible penalties to those who disrupt hearings, Congress can finally get back to the business of the American people. What's your opinion? We'd like to know.